Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about why does your iPhone go to SOS mode. It's really simple, doesn't have to be complicated. It's only coming down to one answer. According to Apple right here, if you see SOS or SOS only in your status bar or something like this right here, in your top left corner bar or top right corner bar, it's gonna indicate that you're not connected to any network, so you have no signal. It's just that simple. So this is available in Australia, Canada, and United States, basically only because the SOS satellites don't really have patents in other countries yet. So if you see a SOS or SOS only in your status bar, it simply is just because you don't have any signal, so nothing to panic about. It's just gonna connect you to a satellite that's gonna be able to be contacted when you press 911. It's gonna redirect you to a satellite that's gonna call 911. So only for emergency purposes. That's why you have the SOS only. So if you have no signal via your ISP or your internet service provider, it's gonna connect you to a satellite basically, and there you go. So do not panic, it's normal. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.